Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 2.5% in the last session. The RSI indicates an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound gained 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Alibaba Group Holding Limited denied reports regarding its migration of headquarters out of the country. It assured Chinese media that Alibaba's headquarters are staying in Hangzhou, China. Europe's economy is showing signs it may avoid a recession this winter, even as it continues to cope with persistent inflation, rising interest rates, and a war in Ukraine that shows no signs of abating. The region's statistics agency said the Eurozone economy grew 0.1% in Q4 2022. The UK formally laid out plans to regulate the cryptocurrency industry, with the government looking to rein in some of the reckless business practices that emerged over the past year and contributed to the demise of FTX.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's trade balance will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The French 10Y bond auction at 0950 GMT. Japan's 10Y bond auction at 0335 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Construction Index will be released at 2130 GMT. The US unit labour costs at 1330 GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary at 1200 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.